Good afternoon. You join me in Olhuveli, and these are some of the original water villas. Um, these are Jacuzzi water villas. As you can see, there is absolutely loads of them. Every single one of them has direct access to the sea. They're very private. Some are on this side here, are sunset side, and some are sunrise side. There are a couple. If I just show you over here, there are a couple which are, I think they call them honeymoon jacuzzi water villas. They're just a little bit bigger, and I believe they have not just a jacuzzi bath, but they actually have a jacuzzi, proper square jacuzzi, whereas these ones here, these just have like a jacuzzi bath, but they're really nice. Been coming here many years, and we just absolutely love these ones when we first come here. And if you're new to the Maldives and you've never been before, you've got to do the overall water villa. It's just amazing to be able to go straight out into your villa and straight into the sea is amazing. And just along here, there's an actual sandbank that appears certain times during the day here, and you can go out your villa and walk along the sandbank. It's not there all the time, it's just occasionally. So that's something amazing to do. But look at this, absolutely beautiful. And then at the very end here, there are two presidential suites, and if you search on the channel, you will find we stayed in one of these before, and even though they're older accommodation, they're really well appointed, and they're huge, and they've got beautiful swimming pool in them as well. So that's this one here, and then this one here. But yeah, if you search on the channel, you will see that on the channel. And yeah, expensive, but absolutely worth it. So yeah, these are the honeymoon villas. Hi, how are you? Good. Sorry?